Here I've got Hammerblade, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Here go to the last option, which is build number, and keep tapping on it until you see the notification that you're a developer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, you are now a developer. Let me go back, and here developer options appeared, so let me open it. And now you have access to very advanced features, very advanced options, so you can use them whenever you want, whenever you need to. And then if you would like to switch them off, simply tap on this icon, and now as you can see, they are not active. No one will be able to use them. So that is all. This is how you can enable and use developer options. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.